What's going on, everybody? Welcome back to the free watch list for Tuesday, February 6th. I put these watch lists out for you guys for free every single day outside of the Monday. I send out weekly swings, monthly swings, and I've got a crap ton of learning tool videos for you guys on this channel. So make sure you're subscribed. Make sure you hit that bell so you get the notifications when the videos are sent out. Make sure you check out the playlist as well. If you guys have questions on anything, leave them down below. You can leave them on Twitter at Mr. Clark Griswold or my free Discord. That link is in the description below. You can join that free Discord and ask me the questions there as well. There is a paid portion, but we're not going to talk about that right now. The screen that you see in front of you, that is TradingView. Down below in the description, there is a link for a free 30-day trial to their sub-based services. And if you start by clicking on that link, you get up to $30 off of your subscription if you decide to go ahead with it. Let's get started on the list. We're going to start with Microsoft. And we're going to start with the inside bar. So on the weekly watch list, I talked a lot about the inside bars. I talk about a lot about the inside bars anyways in all my videos because I think they're one of the easiest to spot. And I think for new traders or struggling traders, they're the easiest to follow along with because you can play both sides. So an inside bar, you notice mine is painted yellow. That's part of my indicator, as is the time frame continuity and the candlestick numbers. I'm not going to go into a whole bunch of theory behind all this stuff. I'm just going to go through the plays for the most part. If you want the theory, that's within the channel on the playlist videos or as part of my Griswold Gold membership in the Discord. I got a 1-hour course to teach you guys on this stuff. But the inside bars, the yellow bars, they're consolidating. Okay, it's a consolidating candle, a tightening range. I like to look at it as a spring being squished, compact, loaded, and then released once it breaks out. Similar to what happened here. Okay, we opened down here and we had this big run up. Now, we didn't hit the targets, and the targets are always the high of the preceding wick or the low of the preceding wick. We didn't hit the target, but we still had a nice run. So we're going to look for that same thing on Microsoft on Tuesday. We look at AMD, and actually I'm going to take AMD off of here. EW. Okay, so EW... 2 up, finished red. What's the significance of this? So a 2 up is a directional candle. It only breaks the high of the previous candle. A 2 down would only break the low of the previous candle. So we had a 2 up, but it finished red. The significance of that, meaning the buyers were in control of this, the sellers took it back. It gives us, high probability that we're going to trend back down on the next candle. And that can be true on any time frame. It doesn't just have to be the daily candle. Hey, let's look at Starbucks. There's a 3-1 setup on Starbucks. So again, we can look for the calls at 92.87, puts at 91.90, and the targets are just the highs of the preceding wicks if we're trending up, or the lows of the preceding wicks if we're trending down. That gold bar you see there, that's also part of my indicator. You can get it separately or with the Griswold Gold membership. And I like to go back in time. So a lot of people will say, I'm only showing you the stuff that works out. I'm not, okay? This didn't work out. We trended up, and then we reversed back through. You would look for a 50% rule play there, okay, off of that 3-1 setup. We go back to look at previous 3-1 setups. We just look for that gold bar, okay? 3-1. Again, this one didn't work. Went outside bar. This one worked really well, okay? They don't always work. Here's another one. Worked really well. The probability of these things working out really well are higher than them not working out well, okay? So again, this one didn't. There's an inside bar that did. I'm just looking for 3-1 setups here, though. And we'll go back and look at one more. Here's one more, and this one worked out really well. We triggered and we hit targets, and that's all we're looking for. And basically why I go through this stuff is because it's based off of probability. The trade, the strategy, what we're looking at is always based off of probability. The probability tells us, hey, we've got a really high chance of this working out. We do have full time frame continuity to the downside, but the weekly is inside bar, the monthly, the quarterly, the yearly. How do I know that? Because these yellow circles tell me so, okay? Those yellow circles tell me that if I go to the week is going to be stuck inside bar. There's your inside bar on the week. The month, inside bar. The 3-month, inside bar. The year, inside bar. Okay? All part of the indicator. Okay, Apple 2 up red. So we're going to look for that to trend back down. We're looking for puts at 185.84. Etsy, 3-1 setup. Look, there's the last 3-1 setup we had on Etsy. Big run to the downside for a successful trade. We're going to look for that same type of move tomorrow. We're going to look for a trigger of 76.14 for calls, 72.86 for puts. Here's Lyft. Lyft has had a ton of inside bars, a lot of consolidation recently, and a lot of broadening formations, highs to lows, back up to highs, back up to lows, okay? High, low, high, back down to the low. We'll see where this one moves. Again, time frame pointing down. We go to the weekly. You see those two pink lines? Those are my weekly triggers. So we're looking to trigger on the weekly, potentially to the downside. We're looking to trigger that blue line on the monthly, potential downside move on Lyft. Pay attention to that. The day could trigger the week, could trigger the month. So pay attention. It's a domino effect. You're going to want to watch that. We look at PayPal, inside bar on PayPal, inside bar on the weekly as well. Here's another PayPal run off of the inside bar. Big move to the upside. Here's another one. We gapped up here, and then we trended back down. Adobe, 3-1 setup. Again, there's a ton of these. Outside bar, inside bar, gap up, and a run. Okay, that's what we're looking for. BA, that's Boeing, 2 down, that finishes green. So 2 down, only breaks the low of the previous candle, finish green, the buyers are bringing it back, but we are stuck on an inside bar on the weekly. I know that because I have that yellow circle, and I haven't broken out of these two pink lines, which tells me that's my trigger for the weekly. You have questions on it, make sure you're asking. Disney, inside bar. Here's the last inside bar on Disney. Boom to the upside. Okay, we marked those out. That's what those previous yellow lines were there for, okay? So we're looking for the same thing off of Disney on Tuesday. Goldman Sachs, double inside bar. Double consolidation. 2 straight days of consolidation, Friday and Monday. We go back in time to find the last double inside bar. There it is. What happened? We went outside bar, okay? We opened, we came up, just missed the target, and reversed back down. I saw one more there. Double inside bar, 3-day run, okay? And then I don't know how far back we'd have to go to find another one. They are super, super rare. They don't happen very often. The double inside bar is 2 straight days of consolidation. On the daily, there it is. Double inside bar, 2 straight days of a downturn, okay? That's what we're looking for on GS with those double inside bars. 2 down, finish green. Buyers bringing it back on JP Morgan Chase. We're going to look for calls at 175.09. Macy's, 2 down, green. We're looking for calls at 18.49. Meta, inside bar. Take the calls, 471.90. Puts, 459.41. Here's the last inside bar, okay? Nice run up. Inside bar before that, nice little run up. Inside bar before that, really nice run up. Okay, inside bar before that, nice run up. Okay, probability, guys. We look back at all these inside bars. They're all doing what they said they were going to do. Nice little run. Okay, inside bar, nice little run. Inside bar, nice little run. Inside bar, nice little run. Okay, consistency, consistency. And that's why I tell you to play the inside bars if you're struggling, because they work the best. Okay, Procter & Gamble. Inside bar, 159 calls, 157.55 puts. Go back in time and look. Last inside bar, boom to the downside, gap down. This one didn't work out. This one, boom to the downside. If you play them consistently, you can't just play this one and be like, oh, it didn't work out, I'm never doing it again. Right? What would happen? Look what would happen. Inside bar, down. Inside bar, up. Inside bar, down. The majority of the time, they're playing out to your favor. Double inside bar, boom. Inside bar, up, okay? 1 or 2 of those that we looked through out of like 10 didn't work out, okay? This stuff works. It's very simplistic. It's very organic. You're not going to find trading easier than what we're teaching here. Here's another inside bar. Ran to the downside. We've got another one from Monday. We're going to look for the same thing. Calls at 82.80, puts at 80.03. That blue line is the monthly. Okay, we're looking to go 2 up on the month on Shopify. Wells Fargo, there's a double inside bar on Wells Fargo. We look for that blue highlight. Let's go back in time. What happened the last time? Because it's probability based. That's all it is. We go back in time. Let's find WFC, double inside bar, on the daily. There you go. Okay? 2 straight days. Boom, boom. Okay? That's a consistency, guys. That's a probability. And again, go back and look at just the single inside bars. Nice run to the upside. Okay? Inside bar to outside bar, inside bar to outside bar. Didn't really work. Okay? Inside bar, boom to... This right here, this play, negates any losses that you have here. Far and away. Okay? Inside bar to the downside for a win. Inside bar, 3-day run to the upside. Inside bar, 2-day run to the downside. High probability setups is what we're giving you guys here. Walmart, inside bar. Okay, here's the last inside bar on Walmart. Run up. Here's one before, trended up, hit targets, reversed back through. Here's another one. Run up. Okay, another 2. Run up, run up. Here's another one. We gapped and trended up. So nothing doing there. Okay, here's another one. Run up. Here's another one. Run up. The majority of the time, the probability is working in your favor. Amazon, hammer candle, basically just the shape of a hammer. It's a bullish pattern. We've got full time frame continuity to the upside. Play both sides, okay? On Amazon. We look at Upstart, inside bar, same thing. Trigger at the yellow lines to the high side or the low side, calls or puts. QQQ, inside bar, hammer candle. Look, gap down, boom, gap up, boom. What's going to happen on this one? Okay, that's the list, guys. If you have questions, make sure you're asking. If you need more help, the Griswold Gold membership is there. It's a 1-hour course. You get the indicator. You get one-on-one time with me. You get live trading bots and a bunch of other things that are included with that membership. So make sure you check it out if you're interested. Discord, regardless, is free for you guys to join. There's a ton of free rooms in there. Twitter is free for you guys to join. Ton of stuff on there as well. Good luck trading, guys. I wish you nothing but the best as always, and we'll see you on the next one. Bye-bye.